Hello everyone and welcome to this session of Windows system scanning. I have already removed the session from my current system. Agent is removed, and then we will download the agent for Windows. Meanwhile, the agent is downloading. You can also deploy the agent on any uh, like VM for Windows. Just go to browser and just type Windows 10 VM. Go to this first page, and then come here down, click on this, then download the ISO for enterprise. This is all ask you for some details. If anything, I have already put down India. Just add any details like anything, and then 64-bit ISO enterprise download, English, United States. I will not download it for second time. I already have it. So yes, and our agent is already downloaded. Let's move forward. Deploy our agent in Windows system. Make sure if you are facing any trouble or error in deploying agent, just stop your ManageEngine service and then continue it. Maybe this will resolve your error. Just go to scan system and then select your device and then click on scan system. Scanning is already initiated, so it will not allow me to scan it second time. So yes, just wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Scanning is in progress. Yes, I have just deleted the agent and then reinstall it, so setting is like little much changed. So yes, but this is old data and there is nothing because it's just showing me old data. Okay, so scanning is in progress. After 10 minutes, the scan is completed and then we will continue for the session. So after 15 to 20 minutes, our scan is now completed on this local system. As you can see that scanning is completed July 22. Okay, so by system wise, okay, it's logged out. Okay, so by system wise, it will like gives you by vulnerability one system, by patches one system. If you have more than one system, then this filtering will works very good to segregate your systems by patch wise, by vulnerability wise, by misconfiguration wise, or by web server misconfiguration wise. So but in this case we only have one system here, so there is no use for this session. Okay, so let's come to home slide, and then go to total vulnerabilities. There are 21 vulnerabilities that are detected in our system. So here is your importance, like this is important, this is very critical. Yes, and this is moderated, like this. Some are informational, some are critical, some are informational, and like some are moderated. So like this. So this is the name of vulnerability: Microsoft Storage Management Provider Information Disclosure Vulnerability. Is Microsoft 11 version 23. Actually 23 is the latest version, but you can see that the vulnerability has already came in this latest version, and these are all the CVEs, and it also supports patch. So yeah, from here you can down install patch, and then you can deploy the patch in your local system. We will see it further in next sessions. patch management. Okay, so here are some critical vulnerability like remote desktop spoofing vulnerability for Windows 11 version 23 H2 for like 64 byte. And for this vulnerability also the patch is available. You can install the patch and then deploy it. Here are all the CVs related to this vulnerability. What could be happen if attacker or someone exploit this vulnerability. Okay. And it will also ask, it will also show you that exploit is available or not. So for these two, the exploit is available, and for others, exploit is not available, and also patch availability. For this, some of the vulnerabilities, patch is available. We will just do 50. So yes, that's all. So for this green icon, the patch is available, and you can install and deploy the patch on your system. For this, patch is available. For this, patch is not available. So here you cannot see the session of patch. This is the overview of all the vulnerabilities that are detected in our current local system. Here is the patch ID. If the patch is available, then you can see there is a patch ID and information about the patch. From here you can download the patch and then deploy it on your system. You will see this session further. All the detected CVs within your 21 vulnerabilities that are detected. Here you can see all the all the CVs, and there is the name of CV. This is basic. Yes. Then we will come to home slide. Here's the 9 fixable vulnerabilities. Like for 9 vulnerabilities, the patch is available in Manageengine VMP. Yes. Then go to threat. Here are 3 main sessions. First is vulnerabilities, second is patches, and third is misconfiguration. Yes. 3 main reports and 3 main components of VMP's scanner. First is for vulnerability, second is for patches, and third is for misconfigurations. So from here, then security configurations. Here you can see 55 total misconfigurations and 43 configurations are fixable via VMP. So just click on it, 55 misconfigurations. Here you can see all the, like, I will just do it in 75. Here you can see all the misconfigurations that are available in this current system. And for just do detailed view, if the patch or patch available for any of the misconfiguration, here you can see the patch is available. Just click on yes. This will redirect you to this slide. This will automatically, if you in this case we all only have one system, it already selected. Select the work group, then enable notification. I have just put in my email, whatever in I have registered, and then click on deploy. It will deploy that misconfiguration. This will seen in this deployation. For these two, we have further see these two deployations, and one of them is executed and deployed in our current system. This two is ready to execute but not yet deployed. Okay, so let's come to patches. Then security configurations, then misconfigurations. Here are all the 55 misconfigurations. You can download the report of this misconfiguration in detail. So just enable detail view. Click on here, PDF. I understand. Export. Here it will exported all the 55 misconfigurations of this system. You can see every detail about this misconfiguration. In Manageengine case, the report is not value more because all the data is available in a dashboard only. The report is only for like purpose of notification, and the scan will like take 30 to 40 minutes to complete, uh, because it will gives you everything, every single detail of your system with credentials. So this will very detailed scan. Here you can see all the vulnerabilities as we already seen. High risk, then web server misconfigurations. So in your Windows server, in your Windows system, the web server is running. So it will show you all the web server misconfigurations. Here is severity, critical, informational, and then this is important, this is moderated, like all. So yes, this is web server misconfigurations. You can click on any of these. You cannot fix these misconfigurations because this is held by yourself, like manually. So you can only deploy patch for manually. Just copy this and then go to Google, fix patch, and it will gives you many links like you can troubleshoot after. Yes, there is port audit. What are the ports open in your system for web server, for any other services, like there is a port called 8020 that is open for ManageEngine 8020. It is not showing. Yes, so here it is. 8020 is open for ManageEngine. 8383 is also for ManageEngine. So yes, here are all the ports for different services. You can see, or if the port is open and not needed, then close the port. Exploit, there are no exploits. Then go to patches. Here are all the patches that are available and detected in your system. So you can click on any patch and then just click here and you can deploy. Here are all the process for deployation of this patch. Yes, how you can deploy it, what all are the processes. Manageengine VMP supports 3,96,490 patches till now, and these are the all latest patches. So yes, these all are the missing patches. Applicable patch is 44. Yes, you can just go there, click on here, click here. It will download the start download patch. If the patch executable file is not available in ManageEngine, it will redirect you to the blog or article. From that article, you can follow step-by-step process to manage that page and close that page. So yes, and yes, so this is the basic Windows scan. We will also do reporting for your. This is the first report. I understand, and download the report. Then we will download second report for patches. Understand and export. This is the second report. Then we will come to threat, system misconfigurations, detailed view. Then click here and just export it. So these are the three main like reports for Windows scanning. I'll just explain it to you in Excalibur. First is vulnerability scan. Second is patch management, like what all are the patches available in VMP. And third is misconfiguration. This is fundamental, like fundamentally what you need to see or monitor in scanning for Windows system. These three is the fundamental. First is vulnerability scan. Second is patch scanning. And third one is system misconfiguration. Yes. So these are the three main component of the scan for Windows system. For Windows system. Okay, got it? Here we have downloaded these three reports. This is also covered in reporting session, but I will just uh, show you that what is in a report session, so you can make understand of what are the report, what is the expectation for report from VMP scan in Windows. Yes, so these three are the main reports. There are many reports, but these three is main to be monitored and to be seen. Like, yes. Okay, so I think we have covered Windows scan completely. In next session, we will deploy the agent in Linux session and Linux system, and then we will scan that Linux system. Then we will see all the misconfigurations and vulnerability for that Linux system. So yes, for now done. Okay, bye bye everyone. Meet you in next session.